Facebook is one of the easiest social media platforms where you can use to grow your online presence, market your goods or market yourself. So in this video, I'm going to show you easy by step guide on how you can create a Facebook page, whether you are a business owner, entrepreneur, influencer or a content creator. One of the importance of Facebook is that you can easily use it to market your product and services, advertise to people what you do or what you sell or what you are into or about yourself, maybe if you are an influencer. So creating a Facebook page is going to be the best option for you. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Ekowi the Creator. I create tutorials on graphic designing, social media tips and tricks, video editing. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you will receive notification whenever I upload a new video. This is my Facebook app. When it opens, this is my Facebook app. Click on this icon that has your picture on it up here. This is it. When you click on it, when it opens, you are going to see an icon beside your picture again. This one. Click on it. Then go down to the last part. You will see where it says create new profile or page. You click on it. Then it is going to bring out two options. The first option says personal profile, while the second option says page. So we are creating a page, not profile. So as a content creator, it's recommended you create a page. So we are clicking on the second option, create page. Then you press next. So it will bring you into this place where it will ask you to put your name. So you put any name that you want to use as your name. For example, my name is Ekowi. I will put Ekowi and press next. When you press next, then it has a question here. It says, what category best describes you? What categories best describes Ekowi? Now, I'm a digital creator. For you now, I don't know which one that you are venturing into. Maybe you are a comedian, or you teach people how to cook, or you do entertainment. Anyone, you will now search for the one that you are into. For example, now if I'm a comedian, I'll search for comedian. Then this is comedian. Then this comedian is what best describes me if I'm into comedy. All right, when this is done, you click on create. This option that says create. When you click on create, it's going to automatically create a page for you. Then when it creates the page, you can now start putting your profile picture, or you can put your cover photo, post your content. So if you find this video very helpful and educating, please can you help me subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell there so that you will receive notification whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.